Well, hello there. Today, we are going to someone else's island. Oh, that was my phone. Anyways, we are going to see an island. Loudland. That is Lana. And I actually pronounced her name right. All this time I was saying Lana, but it's actually pronounced Lana, as I watched The Loud House on Nickelodeon. Isn't it weird though? I always sometimes pronounce their names wrong. Anyways, yeah. It's the right pronunciation. Anyways, I bet she's away from her game. She sometimes always does that. Anyways, that is her island. Loud House, yeah. A fan of Loud House. That's cool. And her flag says the Loud House as well. Such a pretty flowery area. Yep, she's got Raymond as well. I used to have Olaf. Gaston. He seems cool. I like that. A robot hero. Oh, I thought they were pumpkins, but yeah. How can you plant pumpkins and form into a tree? Oh, a little trail. Her campsite. Celeste's usual spot as well. But she's not here today. There's Raymond. Play it loud. I like that catchphrase. Pokemon fan as well. Oh yeah, as I said on my previous video, I am a vampire again. Just like last year, but I look different because of my new look. She has a cemetery somewhere. Says I need to find it. It's somewhere around this area here. Didn't realize the pumpkin there. There it is. I like the cemetery though. some the plush dogs. What they call it? Plush puppies. That's kind of cool. Cute. There she is in her Halloween costume. She brings out a shark, and she named it Jaime Lake. It's like my full name, but my last name. Remove the first letter of the last name, and then it'll become Lake. Get that? Lake? Because sharks... Well, yeah. Sharks don't normally go into the lake. They belong to the sea, though, but yeah. Lake is water. Zoltar. Cool. That's cool. I think that's where her farm retrieves. Her work desk. I mean, anyways. It's most basically an island. Average island, but could it be something special? Man, it's too bad that ghosts' hats don't make it to New Horizons, but it's alright. Vampires are best, though. Orange and black, my favorite colors, even though Halloween has my favorite colors as well. Like her outdoor museum as well. She's pretty lucky that she has a dog named Lucky. Get it? Lucky. Another neat day on Loudland. Play it loud! Yeah, it is neat. Well, I guess I'm gonna stop here. Hope you enjoy Lana's Island Loudland. It's pretty cool. So anyways, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell to stay notified. Bye-bye. When someone comes.